just easy throttle, okay?
Yeah.
Stay back. Some of these rocks might, I don't know, I've done some hill climbs where you hit a rock and literally like, it'll knock the wheel out, and before you know it, you're like perpendicular in the road.
Yeah.
So just keep an eye on that. But it's all just like easy throttled, a lot of momentum. It just like keep momentum the whole time. Easy throttled, a lot of momentum. It just like keep momentum the whole time.
Oh my goodness gravy! Woo! All right, hold on. I'll get it. I'll get it. We gotta roll. We gotta go back down. Woo! Oh, hang on there, Bessie. Hang on. Clutch it in. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, come on now. Whew. I'm coming, Joey. Whoa. I'm coming! Alright. I can get that. Whoa! Whew! Alright. You guys want to see me do a wheelie? Smells like fuel. Hold on. Wow. That is a lot of dirt. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Keep your weight on your pegs. Woo! Woo! Almost dumped it again. All right, ready? This is hard. All right, hold on.
All right, yeah, you're good.
Hold on.
You get up to the top from here. It's tough. Thank God you don't have a Kickstarter, right?
Oh my goodness. Oh boy, hang on to it, bud. Woo! Look at these big old boulders. Come on, bud. Woo! So are you going to start all the way down here on the road, or are you going to start up here?
Oh, I'm going to get a run.
All right, rip it.
Woo. All right. Catch my bike.
Yeah, I'll catch it.
Actually, I'm going to ditch the bag.
Ditch the bag.
I'm going to take a roll.
This is how it goes. Who do you want to shout out before you do this?
Huh?
Who do you want to give a shout out to?
TriCare.
TriCare? The hits. Dude, this is awesome.
I was coming up, I'm like 100% there's a mine up here. There's no way there isn't.
Yeah, I got stuck and had to pull a little Graham Jarvis, a little first gear brop up through the rocks.
I wonder if they covered it up.
Huh.
Because this isn't natural.
I wouldn't think so. Unless somebody's got
there's
a big shovel. Another one.
You actually crawl in that one if you wanted.
I'm good.
That's cool.
Yeah. Look at that. Hold on. Got to do my old GoPro twist. Hello. Dang, dude. Yeah, we'd totally get in trouble staying up here with some ropes. That's where mountain lions live.
Yeah, I was about to say.
So is that copper, kind of that green stuff, melting down?
Man. Maybe I would think it'd be moving. That's the selfies going out of me, coming out of me.
Yeah.
Dude, this is nuts.
This is cool. Oh wow, this one's bigger.
Really?
Oh yeah. Wow. I like that. That's perfect.
Got no lip.
Huh?
It needs a little lip on it.
Dude, this is dynamite.